Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. So in today's tutorial we will learn how to make this beautiful and very simple crochet lace pattern. So this I have made with 4-ply yarn, soft cotton thick 4-ply yarn with a crochet hook of size 1.75 mm, and this I have taken peach color. You can even make this pattern which will look very beautiful in multicolor if you want, or you can even make it in a simple off-white or a white color. So I am going to show you this pattern in white color so that it would be clear with you how am I making, and later I'll also make in this one for sample, and I'll update these pics or the video of all of these colors in my video, so you can check if you make this crochet lace in multicolor how it looks. So let's start without wasting in any time. Okay, for this I will make chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now from fourth chain, on fourth chain from the hook, I'll make 1 double crochet, and these first three chains would work as 1 double crochet. So we have made 2 double crochets, 2 chain and 2 more double crochet in the same chain space, 1 and 2. Now I'll directly go in the last stitch here, last chain stitch, and I'll make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Okay, now I'll turn my work without any chain stitch, and here in the second double crochet here I'll make a slip stitch, and I'll make one more slip stitch and chain 2 gap. Every time we have to turn our work on one side this way, and on the other side I'll make the pattern. So I'll make 3 chains up, which is 1 double crochet, 1 more double crochet, chain 2 and 2 more double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Two double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. I'll turn my work and make a slip stitch in the next stitch here and a slip stitch in the chain 2 space here. Now 1, 2, 3 chains up, count as 1 double crochet, 1 more double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. In the next one, 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Now after making the third round of this pattern, I'm going to make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll start working on my pattern work, and I'll make a single crochet here. We have made 1 double crochet, second double crochet in the chain 3 which we have taken in the previous round at the start. I'll make a single crochet here like this. Now I'll make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, which will count as 1 double crochet. I'll turn my work and make 10 double crochet in this chain 5 space. So 1 we have already made, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, like this. Now we'll not make any chain stitch in between, and directly in this chain 2 gap I'll make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. And in the next one, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. Again I'll turn my work with a slip stitch and I'll make the same pattern, and I'll see you here. Okay, after reaching here I'll make 1 chain, and then I'll make, in the very first double crochet of the 10 double crochets which we have made, I'll make puff stitch of 3 double crochet, like this. 3 times I'll pull up the yarn from the same stitch, like this, and then I'll pull through all the loops including the 1 chain loop and lock it with a chain and a chain. Again, skipping this stitch, second double crochet in the third one, I'll make a puff stitch. 1, 2 and 3 times I pulled up the yarn, pulling through all the loops, locking it with a chain with 1 chain up. Skipping the other one, in the next I'll make puff stitch of 3 double crochet and chain 1. Skipping 1 double crochet, in the next one, puff stitch and chain 1. And in the last chain where we have started with the 3 chains, in the third chain at the top of this I'll make a puff stitch, like this, chain 1. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to do a single crochet here, like this, and now I'll make 1, 2, 3 chains up, turn my work and make a double crochet on the top of this first puff stitch. So as we have made 10 double crochet first, and then we have made 5 puff stitch, skipping 1 double crochet, and now I have made 3 chain up. Now I'll make double crochet on the top of this first puff stitch here, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and in this gap with double crochet I'll make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Now again a double crochet on the puff stitch here, on the top of the puff stitch, next puff stitch, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and in this double crochet I'll make 3 more double crochets, 2 and 3. Again a double crochet on the next puff stitch, 1, 2 and 3, and then 1, 2 and 3 double crochets, a double crochet on the next puff stitch, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and 1, 2 and 3 double crochet inside the double crochet, and the last double crochet on the last puff stitch, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and I'll make 3 double crochets here inside this double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. I'll make chain 1 and I'll directly make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet here in the chain 2 gap, 1, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. Okay, likewise I'll repeat this two more times, two double crochet, two chain, two double crochet here as well, turning with a slip stitch, coming in between, making the same pattern. I'll make it two more times. After making this, I'll make two more times, so total it will be three times I'll repeat this. Okay, as I've made three more times after completing this, so total four times. And now again I'll repeat the same pattern here by making chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then in the previous rounds this gap or between two double crochet here, I'll make a single crochet. Now I'll make 1, 2, 3 chains up, turn my work and make 9 double crochet, including this would be 10. 1, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now will not make any chain stitch. I'll directly make 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet in this chain 2 space. Here as well. Two chains and 2 double crochet. I'll turn my work with a slip stitch in the next stitch, and in the next chain 2 space again chain 3 up, count as 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet, again 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. Now I'll make chain 1, and on the first double crochet here I'll make puff stitch of 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, pulling yarn through all the 3 loops including the chain stitch, lock it with a chain and a chain. So we have to make this 5 times. Okay, I'm done with 5 times puff stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, chain 1, and I'll make a single crochet here on the neck previous 2 double crochet. Between that I'll make a single crochet. Now I'll make 3 chains up, 1, 2 and 3. I'll turn my work and make a double crochet on the very first puff stitch like this, and then 1, 2, 3 chains, 3 double crochet inside this double crochet. One double crochet here, 3 chains, 3 double crochet here. Likewise I'll keep repeating till here. I'm done with my last one. I'll make a chain stitch and I'll make 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet here, then directly in this 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Okay, likewise, you'll have to keep repeating this pattern. After this, I'll make three more times this pattern, and I'll make this pattern on the side. So I'll make few more rows and I'll see you then. Okay, so finally I have made these 5 patterns here, and I'm going to continue in the similar way with this pattern to make a lace as much I desire. So this is how you can make these laces, and it looks very beautiful in different colors. As you can see here, I've made it in multicolor here. It looks so beautiful, and also in some other 4-ply yarn it looks thick and beautiful. So you can make in any of the colors you want to, and as long as you want to. Also, you can use this pattern for your edgings, not only in laces, but you can use in edgings. Okay, so this is it, and do let me know how you liked my video. Do comment and tell me, and please keep liking, sharing and subscribing my videos. I'll see you in the next one.